Alright guys, so this is a collab with Shamziebree. She's also on YouTube and Instagram. She is gorgeous. She's a London makeup artist. So all my London peeps, look out for your girl. Alright, so let's get started. So now I'm just lining my eyes with my Anchor black eyeliner pencil, and I'm putting that on my waterline as well as my lash line. Your lash line, that's where your lashes grow from, and your waterline is the inside part. Now I'm going to be tight lining and also rubbing the eyeliner on my lashes just to get them a little bit dark without using mascara. So now I'm taking the same Anchor eyeliner pencil and I'm putting that on the outside of my crease. Reason being, you don't have to, not reason being, sorry. This is a good technique to use if you don't have a black eyeshadow. You can use a black eyeliner pencil. So I'm just taking our pencil brush from our not Pome in Paradise, sorry, or Dipped in Elegance set. That was our very first brush set that we released. Look out for the release of it again this year. We'll be restocking them this year, so look out for that. Yeah, so I'm just using that to blend out the black eyeliner pencil, and I'm using that small brush because that area is really small. It didn't make any sense to use a bigger brush, you know. So now I'm going in with my motives very deep, and I am just putting that over the black eyeliner pencil just to help it to blend a little bit and to kind of smoke it out some more, because let's face it, it's eyeliner, you know, you need some kind of powder to kind of set it. So that's what I'm doing right here. This is actually my NC50 press powder, Studio Fix press powder from MAC, and I'm using that to set my brow bone area. Now this tutorial is extremely easy and it's extremely cost effective because I don't use any eyeshadows whatsoever. What you can do, instead of using, if you don't have the motives very deep, you can use your contouring powder, your low lighting powder. That's the darker powder that you use to do your contouring. You can use that to go into your crease, because that's what I did. And I'm just setting down the down the center of my nose, and I'm also going over again on my brow bone, so it looks nice and natural. So this is my It's Your Face Cosmetics baked bronzing powder, I believe it's called, and I was putting it on my happy area and I was like, it's not coming up. Why isn't it coming up? So I just grabbed some Fix Buzz, get it all over that pencil brush, and that's a different pencil brush, by the way. I had two pencil brushes working with today to apply it, and it's just still not coming out. So yeah, I'm going to apply more Fix Plus, so it's dripping. Getting in there, and then it showed up a little bit but not as much as how I wanted to show up. And then I resolved just using this on my my glowy areas, and look at how well it's going to come up. See that? Very nice glow. Love it for that, but not for my eyes because it's not as bright as I want it to be. That brush is our Highlighting in Paradise, and that brush is from our Pome in Paradise collection, which has been sold out, as I said, island wide, as well as on our website pomebylyric.com. So I'm going to dust that on my brow bone area as well, just for some symmetry, you know. This is my sleek blush, sorry, and this brush is again from our Pome in Paradise set, and this blush is actually, it glows. It has, look at it, it's like it has color, but it's very glowy, you know. It's not like a regular blush, it's just very glowy. So I'm using it to just go over all the areas that I had already applied the highlights. I'm just going over those areas, and yeah, it's just very glowy. Oh, and I'll leave the name in the description bar of this sleek blush. So now I'm just blending out using that brush that's from our Pome in Paradise, again sold out, but you can use any fluffy brush that you want. For my lid area, I'm going to apply the same NC50 Max Studio Fix, and the reason that as well why I had applied the darker color for my lid over the pencil is because it's my crease, and it will crease up if you don't set it. So if you just set the pencil by itself, it would have creased up on you because the pencil is creamy. So I want to set it with a powder so that it doesn't crease up on you during the day. So now I'm going to be adding more of that Anchor pencil, the Anchor black pencil, and I'm adding more because I wanted it to be a little bit more pigmented, because the lashes that I'll be wearing are really long and full and thick, and I wanted a bit more of the depth, the darkness to show through the lashes. So I'm just adding more, and so I'm using the eye pencil, the Anchor pencil, as a base as well as an eyeshadow, and I'm just blending that out. These lashes are my fashionista lashes, and yes, they're from my line Pour Me by Lyric, but they're not on the website and they're sold nowhere at all. I don't have them. Look at how beautiful they are. I love them. I've been completely obsessed with them. So I've just been wearing them over and over and over because these are truly one of my favorite lashes. We'll be really re-releasing these in the summer, so look out for that as well. I'm trying to work through the packaging, because I want our packaging to be a bit different. Oh yeah, I'm putting on my MAC extra dimension skin finish, extra dimension, double definition, extra dimension skin finish, and that's the look I want. That's how light I wanted the gold in my happy area, and it works. And I'm just going to go back in with my black Anchor pencil to kind of darken my waterline as well as my lash line. So this blush is by Black Opal and it is called Nectar. I've been using the heck out of this blush. It barely shows up on my skin, but for some reason I love the look it gives. You see that? It's like a hint of color. It's not overpowering at all. This would be perfect for bridal makeup, for your brides, especially the brides that don't like a lot of makeup at all, or brides that don't like a lot of blush or whatever. This blush would be perfect for them. So this lipstick is from a brand called Pink Princess, and the color is in Faith, and it is a matte. So that's what I'm applying all over my lips. And by the way, the sleek blush that I used earlier on, the gold one, it's called Rose Gold. That's the sleek blush that I used earlier on. Now to go over Faith, this is my Revlon. It's like a purple matte pencil lippy thingy. I'm going to put the name. I was looking for it just now and I cannot find it. I don't know if I left it at my mommy's house. I don't know. But I'm going to put the name in the description bar for you guys. I'm going to blend that out. Nearly dropped something. You saw my facial expression. And I'm going back again with Faith over that just to blend it out. And I'm wondering if I added a gloss, which I think I did, because for looks like these, I tend to always want to add a gloss. And I was not feeling this lip combo at all. I was like, this looks like crap. Just wasn't feeling it. Oh, and this is Puff Piece, and this is that my nude lip gloss. Guys, if you know of any lip gloss that's just this color or like a dupe, it's kind of thick, it's not watery at all, please let me know, because I'm running out of this, and this is by far one of my most favorite lip colors. So that is the completed look. You guys like it? I hope you guys like it. I really do, because I truly enjoy it. You can do this for work minus the lashes. Yes, girl, you better pose. So yeah. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much Shamziebree for doing this collaboration with me, guys. Don't forget to check out her channel as well as subscribe to mine. I'm on road to 500,000. I know it's a big leap, but hey, you have to aim somewhere, right? Yeah, so subscribe, comment, and tell me what videos you'd like to see next. Comment and let me know if you're feeling this look or not. Also I said subscribe. Yeah, I did. Also like and also share this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye. I love you. Bye bye.